Hi there, it's February the 4th and it's in the afternoon. I just want to show you a treasure that we just got. I found this on the internet. Most unusual thing, and it looked like little teeny headlights and blah, blah, blah. Anyhow, I ended up getting them, but here's what's interesting about them. Take a look at this. These were by, holy God. These are from a 1917 Mercedes-Benz. They were created in California, Pasadena by, what was the guy's name here on this?
Mr. Morehouse.
Yeah, Morehouse. So these are, I haven't cleaned those up at all, but I've taken the 103 years of grime and dirt off everything. We had to change everything because here's what made them interesting. These were the reflectors. Look at this, look at this. They were both broken all to hell. And anyhow, I had to improvise and I got a pair of reflectors out of another old piece, and I'm able to readapt them and make this so it's absolutely a functional, wonderful thing. What's interesting, you see that little setup in there? I could adjust the focus on this thing back and forth. So I had to extend the arm on that, and they just grab right here and hold the rims and lenses on. It's absolutely magnificent. And here's one right here. It's 13 inches around. Look at the size of this thing. And it's with the forks. And it's just an amazing, amazing thing. And here's the bulb that you use. And look at these. These are fully adjustable. I've never seen these before. They're adjustable for any size headlight that you want to put on it. It's absolutely amazing. So this was off of a very, very high-powered coach-built Mercedes-Benz back in, or perhaps the band just wanted these particular headlights, but they are absolutely magnificent. You saw Andreas just light it up. So anyway, and they're without really dings or anything, just a little bit that you would get normally, but well taken care of, with the exception that the glass, the reflectors were broken and I had to replace them. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this piece. Light it up one more time, Andreas, if you would. I'm telling you, it is a blinding thing. It just is amazing. And we can do this without, because we
Zap.
zapping the bulb or zapping me or something. But the red star, just absolutely amazing. I mean, this is bright. Aren't they wonderful? Anyhow, just wanted to share that with you. And we'll talk to you really soon. Next shot, this is a day's work, a day and a half work, and you'll see them done.